Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our online class from Hani Bagatun Memorial College. Dear students, our previous class we discussed about Bangabandhu's life and his District 7 March speech. Now I will discuss the later part of the speech. In our previous class, we discussed his all speeches. Our today's class is about flowchart. So attention please. Make a flowchart about the significant events of pre-liberation period. One is for you. We shed blood in 1952. We shed blood in 1952. Why we shed blood? We shed blood in 1952 for our mother tongue. Only Bengali is a nation who repeatedly blood in the street for their mother tongue. We are the victors of the election in 1954. We are the victors of the election in 1944. But the Pakistani ruler did not stop the power of our elected leader. Launched 6-point movement in 1966. mass movement. In 1969, when Ayub Khan fell from power and Yahya Khan regained in power. Victors of the election in 1970, and finally we become an independent nation in 1971. Finally, we become an independent nation in 1971. This is the flowchart about the significant event of pre-liberation period. We shed blood in 1952. Why? For our mother tongue. We are the victors of the election in 1954. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman launched six-point movement in 1966. Mass movement occurred in 1969, and Ayub Khan fell from power for mass movement. Again, we were the victors of the election in 1971. And finally, we become an independent nation in 1971. This is the flowchart. We will discuss another flowchart. About Bangabandhu's life. Dear students, make a flowchart on Bangabandhu's life. Our previous class we discussed about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who was our inspiration, the greatest Bengali in the millennium, widely known as the father of nation. So, make a flowchart on Bangabandhu's life. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born in 17 March 1920 in Tungipara, Gopalganj. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman showed his revolutionary leadership quality in 1943. Elected Joint Secretary General. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman elected Joint Secretary General for Awami Muslim League. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman elected Joint Secretary General for Awami Muslim League Inaugural Committee. Awami Muslim League First Committee. Awami Muslim League was founded in 1949 in Rose Garden, Dhaka. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman elected those committees Joint Secretary General. Effective participation for language movement in 1952. He was elected a cabinet member in 1954. He elected as a cabinet member in 1954, and finally he became the first president of independence Bangladesh. Finally, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman became the first president of independent Bangladesh. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman finally became the first president of independence Bangladesh. So dear students, this is the end of our today's class. Is any question you will throw for me? I will try answer all of your questions. Thank you.